Hi everyone. So one update is that we are going to increase the fee for GATE courses and all the courses from tomorrow onwards. Currently the fee is 10,000. So early bird offer is over and from tomorrow onwards the fee will be 31,000. Okay. So the question is, why do we increase fee? One thing is, if you look at the quality, we don't compromise on quality. You can see any of my subjects. I cover every subject with a great depth, and also a lot of questions I make you do, right? So you know that my quality of teaching. And the second thing is, we are the only institute in India which has the largest team. Okay, you can check it out. Even if there are thousands of students in an institute, they generally have maximum 10 people in the team, but our team is very big. So our team cost is very high. Why do we do this? Because we want to serve you better. Okay. So this is, you have to think of this as an investment in your future. Don't think of it as a waste of money. Okay. So I don't want too many people to join my course, but whoever joins my course will be satisfied with our teaching. And even when you write some doubt, when you ask some doubt, we provide you video solutions for that doubt. And also we will post it on the discussion forum so that you can discuss on the forum with your with the community, right? So with all these features involved, we cannot offer you a price at 10,000. That will be a very injustice to me and my team. Okay. So this is my price. Don't complain. Okay. And now, so yeah, from tomorrow onwards, the fee is going to be 31,000. And if you want to register at 10,000, do it today. Today is the last date and I'm giving you time. Okay. And the next thing is, I always feel that quality education should always be affordable. To whom? To the people who are having financial problems, right? So we are giving discounts. Now, if you are from a middle class family or a lower middle class family, we'll give you a lot of discount, because lack of money should not stop you from learning quality content. Okay, so we will definitely give you discount if you are financially not that good. Okay, if you are middle class family, from a middle class family or from a lower middle class family, you can just WhatsApp us on the number shown in the website, or you can also chat with us. Okay, so go to my website, find the number, just WhatsApp and send a proof, income proof, that you have low income, or you are from a middle class family. We'll definitely consider you and give you a very good discount. And then for students who are studying well, if you have prepared for a GATE last year and you didn't get a good rank, but you have qualified the GATE. If you have qualified the GATE, it means that you are a hard worker, and we want to appreciate that, and we will definitely give you a good discount if you have a valid GATE score. And other thing is, before I have started the online classes, you might have joined somewhere, some other institute, and you might not have been satisfied with their content. Okay, so if you have joined some other institute, and if you can produce the proof that you have already paid some amount to other institute and you cannot pay 31,000 to us, then also we'll give you discount. Okay, so please chat with us on the WhatsApp number given in the website, or you can chat with us in the WhatsApp itself. Okay, so that is all it. Okay, thank you so much.